Hello Travelmates, how is it going? I'm gonna introduce you this hotel, more like a guest house where we are in right now, here in Tangalle. This place is called Sea Avenue Eco Garden, and we're gonna start from the room. We're gonna give you a very quick tour in the bathroom, which is very basic, very simple. And as I leave, I'm gonna be turning off the lights because actually we are checking out from this place right now. The room, as you can see, it's pretty basic. One more bed. We left all our stuff here. The bed has mosquito net, but we didn't really need it because we had air conditioner and fan, and that's enough to scare the mosquitoes away. We had a little desk over here. We did some work. Wi-Fi wasn't as good as we expected, but still good enough. Then we're gonna go outside. We are on the 4th floor of this hotel, family-run hotel or guest house. We have very nice garden up there. You can see monkeys and mango trees and some banana trees there, some pineapples. I'm gonna show you that later. For now, let me show you quickly this. Okay, let me turn off the light first. There you go. And we're gonna close the room and go downstairs where we can see. I was saying we are in Tangalle and we are very near the beach and fisheries. You can see the beach over there, super nice colors, super clean beach. We recommend you Tangalle for their beaches. It's very nice, very nice. There are 3 rooms in this floor, 4th floor. We are kind of in the middle of the jungle or surrounded by trees, that's the fact. Coconut trees, mango trees, and right in front of the fisheries, as I was saying. Very fresh up here because we have some wind. We have a common fridge that we used a few times for, keeping some drinks and yogurt up here. No kitchen though, we couldn't use the kitchen. And we're gonna go downstairs to this common area. This looks more like a reception, like a desk of a hotel. And well, we have here activities that you can do, washing machine, day trips, whale watching, all that stuff. Then we have this beautiful area. It's pretty hot, but we have fans and these sunbeds and a beautiful balcony where we can see the garden of this property. We have 2 mango trees here. I'm not sure if you can see the mangoes. One on the right, one on the left. These days we saw a lot of monkeys, langurs, and giant squirrels on this tree. It was very nice. So 2 more rooms on this floor. So you can see we have 3 upstairs, 2 more rooms here. Little table, chairs, things to chill out up here. And these are the public areas where the guests can stay. And then we're gonna go down to the 2nd floor where the family lives, and we cannot stay there, of course. We go through that floor every day, but we don't spend time there. One thing I like is this nice window here. Ready? We're going out. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, Catty. Catty, where are you going? Where are you going? Some roosters there, some dog. Missy. Hey, Catty. Where are you going? Where are you going, Catty, Catty? Meow? Catty, Catty. Okay, enough from this. This kind of bullseye window. This is where the family lives. It's a pretty amazing room with antiques and, family stuff. They have like a parlophone or gramola, I'm not sure how it's called. Classic one. Very nice. Also, this kind of windows out here. Take a look. And what else? Let me show you. These are the headquarters, but you can take a quick look, but nothing to see here, I guess. Okay, just a small balcony with, of course, lower level to the garden. And then we go back to that common area. At the table to have some breakfast or dinner here on this balcony. More mango trees, more mangoes. It's very nice here. Yeah, we had a few mosquitoes at night, but good thing we have the coil, that spiral thing, as a good mosquito repellent. And later at night they don't come, so it's fine. And we're gonna go downstairs. And this is where the family spends most of the time. Hey, thank you. Okay. Hey, say hi. All right. Then I'm gonna go outside and show you a little bit the amazing garden that we have here. Starting from, there's plenty of plants. There is aloe vera, there is lemongrass, there is citronella. I don't know all the names of them, but it's pretty beautiful. Many plants and flowers. These mango trees on the both sides. And let me show you around. It's a big garden. We're gonna go maybe walking to the, I think to the pineapples. Yeah. You can see we were up there on the 4th floor. And let me walk you to these pineapple bushes, so pineapple trees. I'm not sure how they are called. You can see tiny pineapple there, tiny pineapple, and banana trees over there. Exactly, banana trees. Pretty big one there. More trees that I have no idea what they are. Some nice flowers. And then what else do we have here? Coconut trees. Those are king coconuts, if I'm not wrong. Parking space. I'm not sure if guests can use parking, or we didn't use because we came with public transportation. And then what else do we have? We have this kind of a swing to chill. We didn't use it because yeah, we spend more time outside. And it's a very beautiful garden. It's fresh. There's a lot of shade, and it's pretty nice because when you come back from whatever walking outside with all the hot sun, it feels nice to feel this shade and breeze. And I don't know exactly what is that or what is on the sides. We just stayed in the room mostly. And then we have the street. This is the Sea Avenue. No one now. On both sides you can go to the beach, which is pretty good. And tuk-tuk was coming. So yeah, the beach is very near. Less than 5 minutes. And I think the boss here is opening the door for our taxi to come. Pretty beautiful, right? These trees, I think they are palm trees, date trees, maybe. Anyway, one last walk to the house, and I'm gonna say goodbye because this is the end of this hotel tour or guest house tour. Again, the name is Sea Avenue Eco Garden in Tangalle, first line of the beach. Very nice. And this is the end of the episode. We hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any question. We're happy to answer always. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.